Ciania here and welcome back to my channel. So there has been a trend here on YouTube wherein YouTubers recreate beauty gurus or try to follow beauty gurus makeup tutorials, and hindi pa ako ganun ka-talented when it comes to makeup. But I'm getting better and better from practice, ganun. So I decided to hop on a trend, and for this week's video, I'm going to be trying to recreate Patrick Starr's America's Next Top Model makeup tutorial. So I didn't have the same top as him, pero similar to sa kanya, pero sa kanya plain black lang, akin may sunflower. So without further ado, let's start with the video. And keep in mind po, I don't have the same products as him, like the same exact products as him, kasi yung mga products niya branded and mga high-end na makeup, and your girl doesn't have any of this. So yeah, so I'm just going to be using products that are kind of similar to his, like in structure or in form and on shades. So yeah. He has a middle part, kaya I tried my best na mag middle part, pero so let's play. Oh my god. Yes, work. Damn. So, every time na magme-makeup tutorial si Patrick Starrr, may skincare routine siya or or magmamask siya before siya mag-makeup. Pero for me, I'm not gonna do that because that is just extra and I am not extra. So, he just took a mist na hydrating mist yung kanya, but the only mist that I have here is the Nature Republic one, so I guess I'm just gonna spray this all over my face.
Brows, we want full, we want 90s, we want supermodel brows. I'm gonna go ahead and fill in with false brows with the benefit protecting my brows.
So he just took an eyebrow pencil and drew on his brows, I guess. And I'm actually glad na ginagawa niya, or he does his eyebrows before foundation. Kasi yun din ang ginagawa ko because it adheres to the skin better and hindi siya nag-slide around. So I'm just gonna fill it. So he just used a pencil, so I'm just gonna use a pencil as well. Hindi sila pantay at the moment. So the next thing he did was clean it up with concealer. So that's what I'm gonna do as well. And he took a primer. And marami din nagsasabi na similar to Maybelline Baby Skin sa professional ng benefit. So he took a foundation and just applied it onto his face. And since I can't do that with this, like directly onto my face, I just use that brush and just blend it. He's like stippling it onto his skin.
swatch of concealers for my face. First, I have been loving the YSL Texture Thaw.
It's the same thingy.
I love this because it's so soothing under the eyes, and it's so easy to get. You see the secret to a magic star face. Now we're gonna draw lots of light towards under the eyes.
He draws light to the center of his face, so let's do that. Forehead, and then on the nose, here, on the cupid bow, and on the chin. Just blend the concealer with a beauty blender.
Here we set with my one and only Patrick's powder from MAC Cosmetics. We're launching
Translucent powder or loose powder. We took the beauty blender and set it on the eyes. The iconic beating the face with a powder puff. Commence. I'm going to be moisturizing my lips, but he didn't do that. But my lips are very dry, so I need to do this. Wear my lip color later to look somewhat decent.
I'm gonna start off and take a little bit of caramel.
And he just worked that into his crease. So he took two shades, and these are the similar shades, the closest that I have. No. Oh my gosh. This is hard. We put it on the outer third and the inner third. The inner third. Inner, outer, and then connected in the crease. It looks nothing like what his looks like. What the heck is this? It looks nothing like his. Nope, it ain't working. It's still the same. Let's fix the shape up a little. Just a little bit. Then he took a silver glitter and put it on the center, like halo eye siya kasi. Halo eye yung ginagawa niya. And ako, halo eye. So I'm gonna take this one. It's not as bright as his kasi yung sa kanya parang loose pigment. So I'm gonna use yung akin ay literal na glitter lang. Wait. Ooh. Oh, that works. I just have to work with what I have. So you just put it on the center of the lid. Maybe I brought it too high. That's too high, Ciania. No, glitter, go away. Ayan. And then he used a brown liquid liner and lined his eyes. And hopefully I don't freaking mess this up, because if I do, I'll give up. Okay, he just wings it up. Took a brown pencil liner and lined his lower waterline. And then mascara. And then he stacked on 2 lashes, and I bought some crazy lashes, and he stacked on 2 of them. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do that, but let's try. I'm just gonna take these ones, the most dramatic lashes that I bought. actually bought this just for this video. I know I'm just as shook as you are. Damn, these lashes are big. And I didn't stuck on two, I just did one because I took a dark blue color and put it and smoke out the bottom lash line. I can't look up, like when I look up the lashes are there. I'm pretty sure that he put lower lash mascara on. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. And he took a powder foundation and just brush off the baking chinas on his face. He's focusing it on the outside part of the face. Kasi skin tone tong kulay ng powder foundation na ito. So I'm gonna use the highlight shade from my Nichido contouring kit. Then he's taking a contour and contouring his face, focusing it on the outer parts of the face, because again he wants the lights at the center of the face. And dang, what the heck, ang puti ng mukha ko. He took a peachy blush and applied it. Damn, this is a lot of makeup. I'm looking cute. This is a lot of makeup. So he took a brown lip liner, like a warm brown lip liner, and lined his lips, overlined it. I don't know if I'm gonna do that, but I'm just taking an eyeliner actually because I don't have a lip liner. So I'm gonna try and overdraw my lips. Then he took a peachy nude. It's not a peachy. This is not a peachy nude, but it's a nude lipstick, and he put it on the center of his lips. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. And he put a lip gloss on top. I'm just gonna do it. I'm not gonna glide it because it's gonna ruin the shape. And that's actually a finished makeup look. Oh my god. We're done. Oh my gosh, we're done. And this is the finished makeup look. So this is his picture. I can't take myself seriously right now. Like if it looks crazy on the camera, it looks crazier in person. Like what the F? That is it for this video. Oh my god, I survived it. I just can't take myself seriously right now. Like what the F? Who is this? Like who? I don't know. This is my take on I tried to follow a beauty guru's makeup tutorial video. So if you like it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel to be part of the unicorn fam. And these lashes are crazy. And if you think I did quite good or well or really good, I will be posting a selfie of me with this makeup on my Instagram, and it would be really great if you guys kind of like spam Patrick that I did this makeup look, because that would be so awesome. So that is it. I love you guys. Heart to, and yeah. Bye!